I'm Jackie and today I'm gonna teach you how to make homemade peanut milk. You're gonna need peanuts, so uncooked, unsalted, regular peanuts and water. So I'm gonna give you guys two options, okay? I'm going with the peanut with no skin because afterwards I'm also gonna teach you guys how to make the peanut butter with the residue and the leftover of the bag. But you can also use the peanut that has the skin. For the milk, there's no problem. The milk is still gonna come out super white. There's no need to peel off the skin for the milk, okay? So let's get started. First thing I did was I opened my bag and I put in 2 cups of peanut. So I'm gonna leave these peanuts soaking in water for about 8 to 12 hours. Because it's a long process on the soaking part, what I would do is leave it overnight, go to sleep the next morning, deal with the milk because it's a lot of time. After my peanuts have been already soaking for 12 hours, so I'm gonna throw away this water. I'm gonna give it a little wash. Now I'm gonna put it inside a pan. You guys are gonna cover it with water. After it's covered, you're just gonna turn on the stove and you are just gonna let it boil. Literally, you're just gonna wait until it dries up. Once boiled, it's done. Okay, while my peanuts are boiling, I just wanna leave a side note for you guys about this milk. It's a great milk for you people that are working with lost weight because it doesn't have any fat, has no cholesterol. And it's great for you guys that work out because it's full of protein. It's actually one of the milks that has more protein. So it's a great milk to work with, to drink with coffee, to eat with your cereal. You guys are gonna really like this milk. So after it boiled, okay, you only have to let it boil once. And the reason why we do that is so the milk tastes smoother, it doesn't taste so peanutty. So now you're gonna rinse the peanuts. Now we're gonna put it in the blender. In my blender here, I have a liter of water, which is about 4 cups and 1/4 of water. Okay, you're gonna get filtered water. It doesn't have to be warm, it can be room temperature. It doesn't have to be hot. And now we're gonna blend it for about 5 minutes until you see it's all smooth. So after this part's done, now we're gonna strain the milk. Okay, you're gonna see here it's really white. It looks a lot like milk already. So now we're just gonna take the residue of the peanut out. So here I'm using a coffee strainer, but you can actually use a regular cheesecloth. I'm putting the residue aside here. So after you strain the milk and you're left with this really pretty white milk, the last step that we're gonna do is we're gonna boil this milk so it tastes really smooth. So right now you're gonna wanna be really careful because just like cow milk, this milk rises up, so it'll make a mess. So you have to keep an eye. Once it rises up, it's done, ready to go. So after your milk has already boiled, you're gonna put it in a glass container. Now this milk is gonna be good in the fridge for up to 5 days, okay? And once you're done with your peanut milk, you're gonna have the leftover of the residue, the peanut residue. So you guys are gonna see too, up there, that I'm gonna have a video for you guys to do peanut butter with the residue and the peanut, okay? So go check that one out too. So thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. If you have any questions, please comment. I'll be more than happy to answer all of them. And thank you.